Hi, in this video I will show you how to check if Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is original or fake. So here is some samples of Samsung Galaxy Watch. So in order to know if it's original or fake, you need to check the box and packaging. Original have high quality printing with Samsung logo that is sharp with barcode as well as serial number present. Fake has poor printing, missing info, spelling errors, or cheap materials. You can also verify the serial number or email by opening the settings on your watch, going to About Watch, Status, Email, and then compare this with the box label. You can visit Samsung's official warranty check site or contact support to verify it. You can also use the Galaxy Wearable app. You download the application, connect your watch, and if it's authentic, the app will detect it seamlessly and show the correct model name. A fake might not be connected properly and appear as a generic device. You can also build or check the build quality. Original have premium materials with smooth rotating bezel, while fake feels cheap and screen quality is poor. You can also check the software version and features by going to the settings, about watch software info, and then original will run the Wear OS by Samsung, and it includes features like Samsung Health, Bixby, Samsung Pay, and a fake often uses custom firmware or basic Android versions. You can also check it on the Samsung Members app. Just download the application, log in, register your device, and if it's real, Samsung will accept the registration. Now, if the price is too good to be true and if it's much cheaper than the retail price, be cautious and always buy the authorized Samsung retailers or well known marketplaces. That's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.